Selling your home in San Jose? If you don't follow these 6 steps, you could be leaving $100,000 or more on the table. Or worse, watching your home sit for months while others fly off the market. I'm Kip Barnard, a Silicon Valley broker for over 20 years. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system we use to help our clients sell faster with less stress and for the highest possible price, even in one of the most competitive markets in the country. I've helped hundreds of clients successfully sell homes across San Jose and the greater Silicon Valley area. I've also served on our local ethics committee for over a decade and managed an office for the #1 brokerage, overseeing billions in sales. But this video isn't about me. This is about helping you protect your #1 asset. Whether you're thinking of selling now or just starting to explore your options, these 6 steps will make sure you come out ahead. Here's step 1, which is preparing your home. Let's kick things off with a quick story. Last month, we helped a family prep their home in San Jose. They were convinced they'd need $150,000 to remodel it to get top dollar. Instead, we focused on strategic updates: paint, counters, lighting, and staging. We spent way less, and the home sold with 8 offers, way above the asking price. The secret weapon? Compass Concierge. If your home needs work but you'd rather not touch your savings, we front you the cost, interest-free, for things like cosmetic updates, things like landscaping, repairs, or staging. You pay nothing until closing. And here's a good rule of thumb. If you're not getting at least 3x return on your investment, we don't do it. And while we're prepping the home, we also take this time to tackle the disclosures and inspections early. In this market, serious buyers expect a full disclosure package before making an offer. Being upfront builds trust and prevents renegotiation later. Once your home is prepped and ready, we move on to step 2, which is getting the media. This is where we show your home in its absolute best light. Today's buyers see your home for the first time online. And that means photography, video walkthroughs, drone footage, and detailed floor plans are critical. For one listing, our drone footage helped showcase the full lot and downtown views. It generated a huge spike in interest and ultimately brought in more offers because buyers could instantly see the lifestyle the home offered. Great media doesn't just make your home look pretty. It stops the scroll, builds excitement, and creates an emotional connection before the buyer even walks through the door. Next is step 3, marketing. Marketing your home is like launching a movie, and we roll it out in 3 phases. Number 1 is the VIP preview. We quietly market your home with Compass' private exclusive network to serious qualified buyers before it's ever public. Up next, you can kind of think of it like a teaser trailer where we go coming soon on the MLS, letting the market know your home is about to hit. And the 3rd step is the blockbuster launch, where your home goes live on all platforms: MLS, Zillow, YouTube, Instagram, and Google, with additional targeted ads designed to reach the right buyers that are out there shopping for a home just like yours. This staged rollout builds anticipation and allows us to adjust if needed before we go big. We also tell your home's story, whether it's the layout, the location, the schools, or the lifestyle. And we use smart digital targeting to put it in front of the buyers most likely to care. Now we move on to step 4, which is pricing. So let's talk pricing. This is where most sellers make costly mistakes. And here's the reality: overpriced by just 5% and your home becomes invisible online. Buyers just skip over it and showings will drop, and it just sits. We usually like to tell our sellers that we can price a home using 3 different lenses. First, it's aspirational pricing, and this is the number you would love to get. This is where sellers often say, let's price it high so we have some room to renegotiate, which is a big mistake. The second method is pricing it at market value. This is what the data from recent sales would support. And finally, we have strategic pricing, where we position your home to create demand. Sometimes pricing just a bit under the market value can create a multiple offer situation that drives the final price well above where we'd have started. Done right, pricing becomes a magnet, not a wall. It's important that you really look at the strategies employed by other recent sales in the area and how those turned out. This will also give you a good idea of what the buyer psychology is right now in the market. Next, let's move on to step 5, which is open houses and showings. This is where the momentum builds, and we don't just throw open the doors, we craft the experience. We often start with a neighbor-only preview party. You might ask why, and this is because your neighbors are some of your best salespeople. Last year, one neighbor brought in a friend who was a Google exec who paid all cash, which was $200,000 over the asking price. Our public open houses are equally intentional. Music, lighting, layout. Everything is designed to make the buyer feel like they found the one. And we track all feedback because the little comments and cues help us stay one step ahead of the market. And remember, if we are priced right and the marketing is on point, we will have lots of people coming into the open house. Now, there's nothing worse than talking to a potential buyer at your open house for an hour and no one else has walked in. That signals to them that no one else is interested. So we like to have nice, busy open houses. Finally, we have step 6, which is negotiation to close. This is where experience truly matters and where things can go sideways if you don't have the right person managing the deal. Here's a quick example. A client of ours almost lost a deal when the buyer's lender suddenly pulled out. But because we had the right terms in the offer, we were able to hold the buyer accountable, pivot to a new lender, and still close on time. From negotiating terms to coordinating with agents, underwriters, escrow and title officers, and appraisers, a great agent will stay on top of every step. If a problem pops up, it's handled before it ever lands in your lap. This is where strong relationships, deep knowledge, and tenacity protect your equity. Even if you're 6 months or more away from selling, now is the time to start preparing. Grab my free seller guide PDF. It includes lots of great advice on selling your home in any market. And if you haven't already, check out my video on pricing strategy. It ties directly into everything we just talked about. I'm Kip Barnard and I'm here to help you sell smart, protect your equity, and make confident moves in any market. See you in the next video.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button and we'll see you next time.